Hey, it's a new year with a new recipe. Let's make farm style chicken curry. While I'm prepping my ingredients to start the curry, Happy New Year to each and everyone who's joined and who is going to join. Right, let's get down to it. Okay, so here I have onions, green chili, mixed whole spice, garlic, tomatoes, not forgetting the chicken. Okay, I've got marinated chicken because we are on holiday and I had everything pre-packed for braai, but the weather is cold and rainy, so we're doing curry. And then I've got some cauliflower and potato. So I flame up the fire, place the pot, add some oil to heat up, and in goes my whole spice, onions, chilies, and I leave that to fry until golden brown. Onions is frying and getting nice and golden brown. In goes my masala, turmeric or hardi, tomatoes. Tomatoes just give the curry a good flavor, taste. Yeah, so in goes garlic and then the chicken. So I don't add any salt because the chicken has salt and I don't want it to be salty. But if you're using plain chicken, add salt. And then that's done. I added my potatoes and I let it cook for about 10 minutes. In goes the potatoes and cauliflower and I leave it to steam, and this is the final product. So now we plate. So this is what it looks like. Delicious chicken curry with potatoes and cauliflower served with delicious rotis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.